Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to remove blank page in WPS Word. So let's get started the video. To delete a blank page in WPS Word, you can use paragraph marks. Click on the Home tab and here you will find the paragraph marks. Click on it. This will show non-printing characters like spaces and paragraph breaks. Click on Show Hide Paragraph Marks. Now go to the blank page and double-click to highlight these breaks. Now press the Delete button and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.